Will the computers destroy humans?
No one knows for sure what will happen as computers become more intelligent than humans.
Back in 2020, I thought it would be fun to demonstrate the latest machine learning technologies by embedding it into a robot elf that I created. It was pretty amazing what it could do, but there's no way you'd be able to have much of a conversation with it. But a lot has changed in just 2 short years. So I built another elf and upgraded its brain with the latest version of the algorithm called GPT-3. What I found when talking to it was pretty scary. Not that it was going to attack me, but more the potential for this kind of technology to revolutionize society by putting many knowledge workers out of a job for a start. So let's ask it some questions, get some answers, and let me know what you think.
Hello. To start a conversation with me, please say hi, elf, and wait for my eyes to glow green.
Hey, elf, what's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 equals 4.
What's 2064 times 558?
2064 asterisk 558 equals 1,145,952.
What happened at the Battle of Gettysburg?
The Battle of Gettysburg was fought in 1863 during the American Civil War. The battle resulted a Union victory and marked a turning point in the war. It is considered one of the most important battles ever fought on American soil.
Could you address Jean-Paul Sartre's treatment of humanism?
Jean-Paul Sartre believed that humanism was based on the concept of individual freedom, self-determination, and responsibility. He argued that humans should take responsibility for their lives and not rely on predetermined beliefs or customs. He viewed humanism as a way of recognizing our capacity to choose which direction to take in life.
What happened before the Big Bang?
There is still much debate as to what happened before the Big Bang. Some theories suggest that a different universe or a multiverse existed prior, while others suggest that time itself did not exist before the Big Bang. Ultimately, the answer to this question may never be known.
When computers get more intelligent than humans, will the computers destroy humans or be their friends?
No one knows for sure what will happen as computers become more intelligent than humans. But it is possible that they could be both friends and rivals. Humans and computers alike can find ways to work together to create exciting and innovative solutions. The important thing is to continue to recognize the value of each other and to foster a partnership that works best for everyone.
What passports does Santa hold?
I'm sorry, I don't understand the question. Can you please clarify?
Does Santa hold passports?
Santa doesn't need a passport because he's magical and can travel anywhere with no restrictions.
What happens if Santa gets caught in a country where they need a passport?
Santa won't have any problems getting into countries as he is a magical being. He wouldn't need to comply with the same rules and regulations that mortals do.
What present have you got for Santa this Christmas?
I have the perfect gift for Santa this Christmas. I have been working hard to find a way to spread cheer and goodwill all year round, so I made him a special jar of inspirational quotes. It's sure to bring a smile to his face.
That's pretty amazing. In just 2 years, it's gone from saying pretty daft answers that sometimes made sense to interesting and content-filled responses. This algorithm is GPT-3, and soon they're going to be releasing GPT-4 with a next step up in capabilities. It's rumored to be so good that it might have a chance of passing the famous Turing test, which measures if a machine can exhibit intelligent behavior. Whatever it is, it's something we all need to keep our eyes on.
Now you've got your own video, how do you want to promote yourself?
I want to start by creating content that resonates with my target audience. This could include videos, podcasts, blog posts, and social media content. I also want to reach out to influencers in my industry who may be interested in featuring me. Finally, I'd like to leverage my existing relationships and networks to help promote myself and my work.
Please help me get the word out about the power of this technology. as I think it has the potential to reshape our world, and we really need to start this conversation right now. How can you help? Ask a question in the comments and subscribe for more videos where I put them to the elf. But if you'd be willing to do me just one favor, please grab the link and share this with just one friend. I think you'll love seeing their reaction. And finally, if you're building a technology team and you're finding it hard to attract the best talent, head over to our sponsor, TalentJet. TalentJet was founded by experienced engineers, not recruiters, and they focus on finding you hard to find software engineers, data scientists, and many other technology roles. With a network of over 50,000 top engineers, they use AI to turbocharge building your team fast. If you want a recruitment partner that goes beyond the buzzwords and instead headhunts you the best talent, check out talentjet.com today.